say area under the curve we can calculate by using this differential integration. Suppose there is a function y is equal to f of x. So it is given by the graph x, y, it will be like this. The curve will be like this. So if you want area under this curve between the limits x1 and x2, x1 and x2, you want area under the curve. You consider a small strip, width of this strip, let it be dx. So at the corresponding height of that strip, let it be y. So what is the area of that strip? Area of the small strip is, that is y dx. Y dx, that is, it is in the shape of a rectangle. Width into length becomes area. So that is the area of this small strip. If you want this entire area in this shaded area, that is this area you want, this is shaded area, you want area. So you have to integrate this expression between the limits integral y dx between the limits x1 to x2. You will get a total area of the curve, under x-axis, you will get. So this y is a function of x. If you integrate between the limits x1 and x2, you will get a total area. You will get total area of the area. You will get to total area. So this is the very useful in physics. So we will get area by integrating this expression y is dx between the limits x1 and x2. Okay, this is very useful tool in integration in physics.